You've probably noticed that managing a handful of MikroTiks is easy, but hundreds or thousands are difficult. Admiral for MikroTik by RemoteWinBox specializes in on-premise security, automation, and orchestration of MikroTik networks. Meet John. Yesterday the network was great, but today customers are down because a MikroTik configuration changed. With Backup Manager, John was able to diagnose and fix the configuration issues in minutes, making him the hero that saved the day. Meet Ethan. Ethan was worried about his upstream not supporting his deployment of LTE modems and concerned he'd have to truck roll to hundreds of customers to update their equipment. Instead, he used Fleet Commander to bulk update the configuration of his fleet of MikroTiks in minutes. With all the time he saved, Ethan's enjoying a beach day. Meet Stephanie. She used to spend late nights working on firmware updates. With Admiral, she picks the date and time, and Firmware Manager updates her MikroTiks while she gets her beauty sleep. Meet Timothy. His customer called on Monday to complain about video buffering from Friday night. With end-user health and historical insights, Timothy helped his customer understand why they needed to upgrade their service. They're now enjoying movie nights buffer-free. Don't struggle managing your MikroTiks. Admiral's dashboard, built by certified MikroTik engineers, makes it painless to automate and manage your fleet.